Hi, Clancy Boyer here, Marinemax Fort Myers. It's October 20th, 2022, and we're shooting this video just to show you that this boat is in fantastic shape and was not affected by the storm. Some of the special things about this boat is a 2018 Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard. In 2018, they allowed triple engines on the back of the boat. Today they do not. So these are highly sought after boats because they're a little quick. This one actually has the maximum horsepower you can put on it at 900 horse. So it's a very special boat in that regard, and it has a lot of features. The boat is really loaded. So come on aboard and I'll give you an idea of some of the special features. So some of the special features on this boat was actually designed and the platform became the 400 SLX Entertainer. So they named the boat the Entertainer because these boats have so much entertainment space. One of the things they have is on the back end here, you lift this up and you've got a large seat here for 2 or 3 people to sit back and recline, actually adjust into lounger type positions. Beyond that, you have cup holders all the way around that light up. Also want to show you how it opens up for storage. This boat's got a tremendous amount of storage on it. So give me just a second to open this up. As we're waiting for this to open, I'll point out that right in front of me is an in-floor cooler. So this is a place where you can fill up some ice, put some drinks, people can grab what they want when they want, and then it's self-draining. So that's good enough to give you an idea. You can see there's a tremendous amount of storage down below, but it doesn't end there. There's more storage inside. Come on in and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So as we board the boat, the 350 SLX, you'll notice that there's a wash-down shower, stereo control, phone charger, stereo speakers back here for the people hanging out about back. There are a couple of hidden compartments that your guests won't know about where you can hide things if you like. Floor storage here. As you move forward, there's storage underneath all of these seats. Massive storage area right here. I know this boat has got the upgraded stereo system because it's got the big subwoofer. Refrigerator, prep area, trash can. This seat spins around, and then you can spin it around forward if you like, if you'd rather ride facing forward. But you have a 2-person helm seat and 2 people here. So all 4 people can be facing forward, along with the storage back here, which I'm gonna pop open for you right now. This is a great place to keep beach chairs, things that you're not necessarily gonna use a whole lot, but you wanna have on board in case you need them. Your table's also stored down here, and this will give you an idea of how large this table is. It's massive. It fills the entire corner here. So for an alfresco situation, you've got plenty of space for people to sit around and enjoy. So that gives you a rough idea, and I've also got some good photos online. Notice the LED lighting. The lights are underneath all the seats. This has got an unbelievable control system at the helm where you can just scan and touch screen and adjust the lights. You can adjust them to 3 different levels even instead of just on and off. And then this is where the table goes. The leg comes here and the table spreads out to this area. So moving forward, you've got a dedicated cooler storage area here. As I said, a prep station, dedicated sink, another wet storage area. At the helm, really nice feature. We have the joystick on this boat. So with the joystick, you have the sky hook feature. So if I'm pulling into a marina and I want to get my fenders ready, my lines ready, I reach down and hit sky hook. Keeps the boat within about 7 feet of where I hit it from satellite. So it's really a nice feature. It allows the captain to some free time to be able to get ready, do things, switch drivers, whatever it is that you're doing. Other than that, you have all the conveniences of auto trim tabs, push button start, vessel view mobile to give you your engine data. This is the screen I was telling you about that shows you what lights are on and what different functions are going on the boat. It'll give you fluid levels so you know at a glance what's going on with your tanks. It also, you have your full GPS here. Fantastic system. The Raymarines are just terrific. Pinch to zoom. And then this one has the hard buttons also. So if you're in rougher water, you're able to reach up here and do things with the knob instead of accidentally hitting in the wrong spot and setting a waypoint or something in the wrong spot. So that'll come in handy when you're using your auto heading with your joystick system. Tilt steering, all the features you come to expect with Sea Ray. As we move forward, you have a actual sitting area here. Not real large, and it's full of fenders and things like that, but it's designed to be a place to go down and sit. You can actually pull this lever, a hatch comes up and gives you steps to go down in there just to make it easier. Then you have a wind door, windshield closes, and right here we have, I call this a beach glove box because it's an area where you can lock and keep things if you jump off at the beach or go into a restaurant. And then obviously the head area, which is where the cooler stored at this moment. This has got the upgraded head system. So it's got the cabinets, the counters, the sink, and then the good throne. As you look around the boat, there are cup holders all over the place, and there are LED lights on the cup holders. Sealy does a great job of finishing things off. Like if you look up into the side areas, things are finished off instead of being raw fiberglass like other boats. Moving forward, a lot of seating up here. Very comfortable. I'm 6'2", stretched out, plenty of space, armrest, storage underneath these seats, cup holders, speakers up here, oh my, grab handles all over the place in case the water gets rough for somebody, the captain's getting a little froggy. You have a windlass anchor system on this boat, and you're able to control that. All right, so that's a quick look at our 350 SLX outboard, 2018 model. Good hours, boat's ready to go. Just wanted you to see a video of it after the storm that passed through the United States and prove that the boat's in fantastic shape and it wasn't affected. The last feature I want to point out is pretty terrific. So in our area, we have a lot of sun. So having this huge hardtop is a big deal. This is a big deal. So you get a lot of shade here. But on top of that, they had this installed at the factory, which is a power sure shade that deploys all the way out and gives you a lot of shade going back. Now let's say you want the sun instead of the shade. You pop the shade back in, and then this all opens up. So you have this wide open to be able to enjoy the sunshine if you want to get extra air, extra sun, things like that. So give me a call if you have any questions on the boat or if you'd like to come see it. Again, my name's Clancy Boyer. My number is 573-470-7776, and I'm at Marinemax in Fort Myers, Florida. Have a great day.